Hey everyone, my name is Elena and I'm an expert here at Zenfolio. In this video, I want to show you how to use the sort by options inside your gallery. Inside the gallery, you're going to find these options right here. First, you'll see this column with an arrow. When the arrow is pointing down, you'll see the titles displayed A through Z starting with numbers. If you click it again, the arrow will point up and it'll display Z through A. If you click this little down arrow next to it, you'll see the other sort by options, which are alphabetical, which is based off the title of your photo, timestamp of when the photo was taken, upload date of when you uploaded the photos to the gallery, or you can choose custom. In custom, you can drag and drop your photos the way you want to display them to your clients. Please keep in mind that this will not save if you decide to choose a different sort by option. For instance, if we choose timestamp of the photo, it's going to let you know it's going to disrupt the custom sort. Go ahead and confirm to make the change or cancel to not make that change. I'm going to hit confirm. Now you'll see it has selected timestamp. And that's basically all there is to it. It's pretty straightforward, but if you have any questions about it or anything else, our support team is here to help you anytime. Just go ahead and click on the chat bubble here to chat in, or you can email us at Zenfolio support.